whatever happened to the brand 9 West?
After being named by its founding location in Solo Building 9 West, 57th Street, New York, in 1983, the store of 9 West was born through the efforts of good friends Jerome Fisher and Vince Camuto. They were two designers who have broken free, quote-unquote, from their own companies and started the monumental success that is the company 9 West. The brand first expanded internationally with the opening of their Hong Kong location in 1994, and since then has over 800 global locations in 57 countries. The company is known for their fashionable designs with popular prices. They were the pioneers of wholesaling quality footwear in case pack. Through the years, the two designers had founded other companies and businesses under their own respective names, all thanks to the help of their joint efforts for 9 West. However, in 2015, Vince Camuto died of cancer. Sadly, also a year later after that, Jerome Fisher too met his end due to brain hemorrhage. With the death of the two founding members by 2018, leaving behind generations worth of work on the brand came to an end when they announced that 9 West USA businesses had filed for bankruptcy and hence closed all its physical stores for good, with no one in their descendants able to fully commit and manage 9 West, given that Vince also founded his own companies through the years, and with Jerome Fisher's descendants having their own companies as well, like his son, Mark Fisher, who owns Mark Fisher Footwear. It is safe to say at this point that everyone in both of their descendants' current generation family members are actually driving their own paths quite well, which is why 9 West closed all of its brick and mortars. Their designs are still being sold from many online retailers to this day.